What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. In today's video, we are going to be doing a YSL unboxing. Well, unbagging. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and keep watching. But before we get into the video, I do want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Angelle. I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Now let's get into this outfit of the day. All right, y'all. So the outfit of the day, real sexy, real fierce. First, we are starting off with this Aritzia knit dress, okay, with the split on it, baby. Y'all know, when I had this video, when I had this dress in my new in video, y'all had to have known that I loved it, okay? But the color, the fit, it's so easy. Everything about it, this entire look is so easy, but yet it's still so good. Like, Anyway, stockings are from Walmart. Boots, Sam Edelman brown boots. Y'all know what it is. We have the Theory leopard coat draped on top. Of course, if it's cold, put that mofo on. Don't be out here freezing trying to look cute, girl. Put it on. Fasten it too. Fasten it and put the belt around so it's not cold, girl. And then I have that style with my Fendography bag. I love the way all of this blends together. Like, I love the way all of this blends together. The look is a 10 out of 10. I know they probably gonna have somebody in the comments somewhere talking about, girl, all you need is a hat. Girl, I don't need no goddamn hat. I don't need no goddamn hat. I don't need no fedora. All right, I'm wearing it the way I'm wearing it now. Although a hat would look nice with it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I really don't like hats like that. I have a really small head, especially not big old fedoras. Like, I get my hair cut every week. Not to wear it under a hat, okay? Period, poo. But that is the outfit of the day. Let's get into the unboxing. All right, y'all. So this bag is going to surprise no one and shock nobody because you have already seen it multiple times at this point. But I said I would do an unboxing of it, so here it is. This is the YSL 5'7" Hobo bag in the color black. Now they do also offer this in a mini size. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I think the mini version of this is the goddamn biggest waste of money that you could ever waste, because you can't fit nothing in it. You can't fit a goddamn thing in it, girl. You can't even fit your goddamn thoughts. Okay? You can't even fit your thoughts in that. Listen, waste of money, waste of time. That's just my personal opinion, though. That is my personal opinion. But it's just kind of like, if I'm gonna waste $1,700, $1,800, I could find something better to waste it on. You understand? You can't even fit it on your shoulder. I can't even fit it on my shoulder? What? For the 18? No, I'll pass. So I did go ahead and get the bigger size. Now, this is $2,400. It came up to $2,598 with tax. This was a gift. I want to make this clear. This was a gift. This was a gift. Okay? Mind your goddamn business. Don't worry about who was a gift from, okay? But this absolutely was a gift. And y'all have seen it on the channel so many times, and I'm just unboxing it because I've been wearing her, girl. You know, I was gonna purchase this bag last year, and I was like, but it's so plain. But it's so plain. Y'all, sometimes plain works. Sometimes plain is exactly what you need, girl. And shit, like, yes. And this bag has really low-key made me realize that I really do love a shoulder bag, because the way I be throwing her on that shoulder, girl, I didn't even know I needed her, okay? So if you open, it opens this way. Like, you just slide the little L in there, okay? Completely unsecure, okay? Get your shit snatched real quick. So don't put your valuables in there, baby. I don't know what to tell you. The authenticity card is still in there. And the tag, price tag, $2,400. So it just has this slot in the back, just that little slot right there, and then this. It was purchased brand new from Neiman Marcus. So this is the front, this is the back. Let me get my crap to show y'all what fits in here. Okay, now y'all know I don't carry much, but we have the phone. We're gonna put the phone in first because the bag is not that big, obviously. But this is the 15 Pro, so phone, it fits in there. Hold on, are we blurry? Child, we can't be blurry now. Okay, so y'all know I don't carry much, but we're gonna try to get the essentials up in here. It is a very small bag, so we're gonna see. So we're starting off with the phone. I have the 15 Pro that fits. We're gonna get the card holder, my YSL card holder. It fits easily. I'm just trying to like move my phone. I'm just trying to, there we go. Okay. AirPods, I don't go nowhere without my AirPods. Listen, hold on now, shit. You see it's in there? It's in there. They in there comfortably too. We ain't got no issues so far. So here, I got my, what is this? God damn it. Oh, a pen. And then my little hand sanitizer. Lotion. I've started carrying hand lotion again. It definitely comes in handy, baby, because the hands be ashy. You can't look this good and have your ashy hands. Girl, put some lotion on them ashy ass hands. And then my keys. So I will say this. This has gotten out of hand. Nothing is cute about what we have going on with these keys right now. So we are going to fix this. But these are my keys. And boom, they fit in there too. And there's actually still room. And I'll throw like my little lip gloss in there. So boom. And then we gonna attach the little L on there. And that's everything in there. Now I can't lean it too much. Because if I lean it too much, all your shit gonna be on the floor. Okay? And again, don't put anything valuable up in here. Because this is unsecure, baby. They snatch your shit right up out of there. Okay? They snatch it right up out of there. So... okay, but it does fit all the things, and it's probably because it does have this opening that it does fit everything, and it's not too heavy, so it fits all of my necessities. Y'all, those keys look pathetic. What am I? We got to do better than this. Okay, we got the little car key. I don't even know what them keys is for. I don't know what that key. We got all these goddamn keys on here. We don't even know what they for, baby. We need to do better than this. I got the Mario. This is a big old key. Y'all, I love Mario Party, and I got the little Mario Party dice. Listen, this is real cute, but the whole world ain't got to know you like Mario Party. Take this goddamn keychain off here. You is grown, girl. But we're gonna work on our keys. 2025, we're gonna work on the keys, because, you know, Lord. But yes. YSL 507 Hobo bag, absolutely love it. I do. I was about to say that I think it is worth the investment. For $2,400, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. That's a big ass hell no to me. I love the bag, and I wouldn't trade it in. I have no plans on selling it, and the use that this is going to have in my wardrobe is absolutely unmatched. This is me being completely honest and completely genuine with you. But $2,400 is a lot of money for what you get. I would opt for getting the Demilia Tokyo bag instead. That's me being completely honest. Child, with this economy, this is a gift. It's a gift, okay? I told you I wanted to get it last year, but it was too plain and I should have also said too plain, too expensive, all right? Now, again, am I going to wear it or I'm going to wear her down? I'm going to wear her down. I've already been wearing her down, and I only had her about a week. But for the price that it is and what you are getting, you're getting you're getting a snatch fest. Just snatch your shit right on them. Give me that. Give me that goddamn hand lotion. My hands is ashy too. It's a snatch fest, okay? So for what you are getting, $2,400 is a lot of money for people to just be able to grab your stuff right up out the bag. So I am going to say, no, I do not think this bag is worth $2,400. I would opt in getting the Demiliere London Tokyo bag. Same silhouette. It's a snatch bag. It says, let me snatch your ish right on up out of there. It's a snatch bag, baby. But it is 1/4 the price. It's about $500 something. It's about $586 or something like that, okay? If I had to purchase it with my own money, that is what I would purchase, okay? I'm just being completely honest. And for the girls who like the quiet luxury thing, there you go. Like, you know, no logos or anything like that. I'm not a quiet luxury girl. You know, I thought I was, but I realized I was being influenced. I'm not a quiet luxury girly, and probably never will be, to be completely honest. I'm not the flashiest when it comes to like the brand logo itself. I don't necessarily need it. You know what I mean? But at the same time, I'm not opposed to it either. Okay, I don't have a problem. They're like, oh, the rich. Okay, listen, I don't give a damn. Don't care. Tell it to somebody else, baby. But if you are into that, it's a very subtle bag, the little flap, I'm sure. If I haven't inserted a picture, I'll insert a picture. But yeah, I would opt for that one solely because of the price. Plus, I've only worn this bag a couple times, and there already is a little scratch on there. Right there. I don't mind it. I do not mind my bags looking lived in. I feel like the bags are not meant to baby. I'm gonna be honest. There ain't nothing in my goddamn closet that I baby. Ain't no babies around here. Okay? You get thrown up against the wall. You get sat down. You get, listen. Nothing gets baby. I will take care of it. I'll take it to, take my shoes to the cobblers, take my clothes to the dry cleaning. I am going to take care of it and making sure it's taken care of. But I mean, when I'm tired, I'm tired. The clothes fall where they fall, baby. And the bag's going to sit where it sit. I don't know what to tell you. But yes, I do love the bag. I absolutely 100% sure do not feel like it's worth the $2,400 that was spent on it. However, I know the cost per wear on this bag is going to be penties. But it wasn't my dollars. So there you have it. If you like this bag, comment down below, say, Angelle, I love this bag. Y'all also let me know. Sound off again one more time. I just want to make sure one more time. Sound off in the comment section if you really want a updated full handbag collection video. Say we want that. Oh, we need that, all right? In the comment section. Also, comment down below and let me know, do you have this bag? Do you have the Demiliere London Tokyo bag? Have you been contemplating between whether or not to get this bag or that bag? Let me know. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Angelle's Life and on TikTok while it lasts at Angelleslife. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.